All right, today is September 8th, 2024. We're in beautiful Litchfield, New Hampshire. We're shooting the Mauser 1908 and 7mm Mauser. This is a Brazilian contract rifle. These were popular in Central America and Mexico, in South America. I believe it was invented in 1893. The Spanish Army used these. We actually, during the Spanish-American War, the Mausers devastated the U.S. forces, and probably one of the reasons why the U.S. got rid of the Krag rifle and went over to the 1903 Springfield. I think it might have been part of the reason. But anyways, we're going to shoot. Yep. Today we're shooting the 7mm Mauser Brazilian Army contract.
All right. If you shoot your rifle, open it all the way up.